Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a pair of Red Wing derbies.
Yeah.
We don't get these very often. In fact, I just don't see a lot of people wearing these, so it's pretty cool to get one of these into the store. It has a Christie style sole on it, that wedge sole, and he wants to switch over to something a little bit more traditional with a little bit more defined heel, and that's what we're going to do today. So let's get to it. I'm not quite sure how this happens. It's like a perfect little gouge out of the back corners. Now normally it'll be smooth from natural walk, but it's actually got like a little lip up in there. So, and they're perfect. Both of them are that way.
All right, guys, so took everything off on this one. The welt is in good shape. There's plenty of welt left on it, so we're not going to have to change that out. Gimming looks good. It's nice and attached to the shoe, so it's good to go. Remove the old quart because, you know, it was missing in some spots, so let's get some new oatmeal on here. So while the soles are drying, I want to show you guys something. So one of the questions we've been getting a lot lately is, hey, how come you guys are showing so many boot repairs and not as many shoe repairs? Well, it's really funny because it seems, we just noticed this actually, whatever videos we tend to be doing, that's what we get the most of sent into our shop. So let me go show you all of the boots that have been sent in. All right guys, let's take a look at all of the boots you guys have been sending us. Boots, 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 all boots, mostly boots. Okay, we got a few shoes down there. Boots, 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 and a lot of boots and boots. So as you can see guys, we would love to do more shoe repair videos rather than some boot ones, but hey, we'll take whatever you guys want to send us. We're always happy to help. But what we may end up having to do is get you guys to send us some of the, I guess some of the worst shoes that you have. Maybe we'll do something like that. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know if that's something you'd be interested in us doing, is you guys just submitting pictures of some of your worst shoes. We'll find some of those, email you guys, you send them in. I don't know, we may do something fun like that. So leave us a comment down below and let us know if that's something that you might be interested in us doing.
All right, ready to stick, but as always, we need a little heat action to reactivate this glue, and then it'll help it to bond better.
Okay guys, so the shoes are done, and like always, last thing that we're going to do is just condition and polish these shoes up. Again, these are Red Wings, which is an oiled leather. We're going to put some brown oiled leather cream on here and just kind of put a little wax along this leather heel block. I think it'll just help it to pop and look a little bit better. So let's get that done and wrap these shoes up. Okay, so the resole is complete. But again, before we show you the finished product, just a quick reminder as always, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up. It always lets the algorithm know that you actually like watching us, which we appreciate you doing.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends and share the video. Again, that helps our channel to grow. Also, if you're wanting to send any shoes in to us, or if you're looking for shoe care products, check out potterandsons.com. The link is down below, also down in the description box. And as well, check out southernpolish.com for our men's and women's sandals and flip-flops. They are the best on the market. Give us a look. Okay, Heath, what did we do on this pair of Red Wing derbies?
As was mentioned at the beginning of this video, he had a Christie style sole on there, and he wanted to go to a more defined heel, so we went with day knots. Well, the customer wanted it, so we put the day knots on there, put some stacked leather blocks, did a little pop with some red stitching. It was pretty straightforward.
Yeah,
it was actually one of the easiest resoles we've done in quite a while.
Yeah, usually these videos take us a day or two to record because there's a lot of steps in the process, and boy, we kind of shot right through this one. But I thought it was interesting because you don't see a lot of Red Wing shoes. So we brought you guys a lot of boots, but never a shoe. So when we saw the shoe, we were like, you know what, let's do a shoe. And it's a Red Wing.
It was easy too.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it.
And what do we do with the rest of our day? Because we're done now.
That's it. So again, thanks so much for joining us. And until next time, y'all have a good one.